Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so excited to share a little gem from Jane Iredale that's been catching my eye lately, their Dove Grey Eye-Shadow Crayon. If you're looking for a matte, blendable shade that promises smudge-resistant wear, this might just be a contender for your daily makeup routine. So here's the scoop. This is a crayon-style eyeshadow designed for easy application with a matte finish. The Dove Grey color is a soft, sophisticated shade that can work for both subtle day looks and more defined evening styles. It's marketed as blendable and smudge-resistant, which is key for anyone who wants their eye makeup to stay put without constant touch-ups. Using it was actually really simple. The crayon glides on smoothly, and I loved how quickly I could blend it with my fingertip or a small brush. It didn't tug on my delicate eyelid skin, which is always a plus, and the matte finish is quite flattering. No unwanted shimmer or sparkle that can look overdone. I tested it through a full day, including a quick coffee run and a longer outing, and it really held up nicely. A slight fading at the very end of the day, but nothing dramatic. The texture is creamy yet firm, giving control during application without being chalky. I'd say the pros are clear. It's smudge resistant, easy to blend, and the matte finish is elegant and versatile. Plus, the crayon format makes it travel-friendly, no extra brushes or palettes needed. On the downside, the color payoff is subtle, so if you're aiming for an intense, bold gray, you might need a couple of layers. Also, some may prefer a pencil or pan shadow for more precise lining options. In terms of value for money, Jane Iredale is definitely a premium brand, and this crayon feels in line with what you'd expect for the price. The quality of the formula and ease of use justify the investment if you appreciate clean, reliable cosmetics that perform well throughout the day. Compared to other matte crayon shadows I've tried, this one stands out for its creamy texture and smudge resistance. Some alternatives are a bit drier or harder to blend, so if smooth application is your priority, Dove Grey has an edge. The packaging is sleek, compact, and sturdy. The crayon tip keeps its shape well, so it's not messy in your makeup bag. Longevity-wise, this has a solid shelf life, and the formula's durability during wear is impressive. If you're debating whether to try it, here's my take. It's excellent for anyone who wants a soft, matte gray that's fuss-free, easy to apply, and stays in place. Perfect for busy mornings, minimalistic looks, or anyone who prefers a matte finish without the drama of powder fallout. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this Jane Iredale Dove Grey Eyeshadow Crayon in the comments or description box. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.